Welcome to this quick tutorial on setting up a 90-day message timer for a specific group in your WhatsApp community. If you've ever wanted to keep your group chats clutter-free without manually deleting messages, this feature is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Once you're ready, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. You'll see the familiar green icon with the white telephone in a speech bubble. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a series of tabs. Look for the Communities tab and give it a tap. This will take you to a list of all the communities you're part of on WhatsApp. Now, scroll through your communities until you find the one that contains the group you want to set the timer for. Tap on the community to open it, and then locate and select the specific group you have in mind. Once you're in the group chat, it's time to access the group settings. To do this, tap on the name of the group at the top of the screen. This will open up a new menu with various group options and information. In this menu, scroll down until you see the Disappearing Messages option. Tap on it to reveal the different time intervals available. You'll see options for 24 hours, 7 days, and 90 days. Since we want to set the timer for 90 days, tap on that option. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the 90-day message timer for your specific group within the WhatsApp community. Now, any new messages sent in this group will automatically disappear after 90 days, helping to keep your chat organized and your storage free from old, unnecessary messages. Remember, this setting only applies to new messages sent after you've enabled the timer. Existing messages won't be affected. Also, keep in mind that anyone in the group can still screenshot or forward messages before they disappear, so always be mindful of what you share. Thanks for watching and enjoy your clutter-free WhatsApp experience.